you guys were using the 2-minute EWO, and I posted this last night for SPY. Look at how perfect this is. Down, up, down. You got paid. Here was your first entry. Here was your second entry. And here was your third entry. Does it get any more perfect than that? I mean, that's crazy, right?
It's practically 1 for 1.
Oh, it's absolutely ludicrous. It's just insane. I pulled that up last night. I was like, oh my gosh, it's just textbook. Tesla, we're already getting this nice pop to the upside. So what I want, instead of it being, because it's already exactly where it should sit. So instead, I want to see Tesla above 246.50 just to be safe. So we don't get a pop and a drop. And to the downside, I mean, it's already sitting right here as a big downside level, but I'm going to give this a big area. Downside 244.24. Same thing here. Look at this. SPY has already gapped all the way up. What do I mean by that? It means it's already gone up to the previous day, which is right here. See it? It's already coming all the way back up here to the full gap to the upside. Will it stay there? Who knows? Look at it yesterday. Down, up, down. We don't know. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to go ahead and go up here. I'm going to say above 449.50 on SPY. Hold on. I mean, the actual, this is where it wants to go. This is a huge level, by the way, this 448, right? So on your screens, I would have this in gold, VIP members, right? That's a major level. But right here, SPY below 448. So everybody else, you're going to have this red or above 449.56. It should look like this on your chart, just like that. See it? Flicks 436.26 to the upside. To the downside, 432. Hold on, I don't even like that. I like it down here. I like it right there. 431.66 to the downside. And I know it's a monster area. I know this is monster. I would listen, Netflix is always tough because the spread is so ridiculous. So upside 436.26. Caution to the downside 432.71. Otherwise, wait for confirmation at 431.66. Okay. That one's all over the place. I know, and I know they're huge. I'm erring on the side of caution so you guys don't get busted up.